Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see how someone added you on Snapchat. So let's get started. So if you want to see how someone has added you on their Snapchat, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. After tapping on that, now what you can do is just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down you should find this option which is add friends. Just tap on add friends. After tapping on add friends, now this process works on only some devices. So now what will happen is you can see the process by which they have added you on their Snapchat. So you can see that on their username. So below the username you can find how they have added you. So this is the first way, and the second way is to just simply tap on the plus icon which is on the top right. And after tapping on that, now from here you can also see how someone has added you on Snapchat. So that's it guys, this is how to see how someone added you on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.